Hi students, Namita Miss here with today's session. Today I am so excited to tell you that we are going to do something so awesome. Today we are going to learn how to do a pom-pom. Do you know what is a pom-pom? Alright, let's learn, okay? So first of all, I am going to take my yarn. Now you can have any color yarn. There is no compulsion that you have to use only blue or red or anything. We are going to make a caterpillar out of this yarn. So just use any colors, any rainbow colors, whatever yarn you have at home with you, that will do. Okay, and then I am going to use a fork. Okay, but I want to tell you one thing, that you have to be very careful when you are doing a craft activity with fork. Please make sure that the fork is away from your face and your eyes, and if you have any younger sibling playing nearby, just make sure that you will stay away from them when you are doing this craft. Okay, let's start. Now what I am going to do, I will use my fork like this, and then I am going to wrap yarn around it like this. See, just keep wrapping, okay? And it has to be very tight, don't get it loose. Okay, just keep wrapping. All right, we got, I think so we got enough here. Now let's cut this section, and then we are going to need a little bit of this yarn, and then what you will do, you will put this in the middle over here and take it from the other side, and then from the middle only we'll take it inside. So you will put the yarn from here, from the middle section, and then from here you will take it out, and then we are going to tie a knot like this. It has to be very tight. Now at this point we can take this out of our fork and make our knot little bit tighter. Okay, and then we'll just tie a few more knots, so it will be very tight and it will not just come out. Okay, there you go. All right, now can you see these sections? I am going to cut these sections. You can't take all of it in one go, so just take tiny sections and then cut it. See, make sure that your fingers are away from your scissor. There you go. All right, so I got, I think just few are left here. Yes, I covered everything. Okay, and now what I'm going to do, I will just keep your fingers away from your scissor. Now I'm going to just cut the extra ones and make it more like a round shape. Alright, so here you go. See, so this is your pom-pom. Isn't it cute? It is so cute. Alright, so like this you have to make 3 more. Okay, now I have made few here. See, with different colors. Okay, so to make the caterpillar, first we will make a beautiful leaf. Okay, I have this green page with me here. I am going to fold it like this. Okay, and then I am going to draw a leaf. cut the leaf now. Here is my cute little leaf. Okay, and then let's make some lines. Alright, here we go. Okay, so here is our leaf. What we can do, we can cut little bit of section here and here also. We'll do that later on, that's okay. Now let's start with the Fevicol. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my glue first here. Okay, alright, let's put our glue right over here. Okay, and then the next one. Put the next one. Okay, now let's put the last one. Alright, and for here I'm simply going to use 2 drops of Fevicol like this, and we are going to put 2 googly eyes like this. There you go. So this is our cute little caterpillar. Okay, and here and here I want to show, because the caterpillar is so hungry that he has eaten little bit of leaf. So just draw something to something, you know, something like this, because the caterpillar is very hungry, so it has eaten some of the leaves from here. Okay, just taken some bites. Okay, so here is our caterpillar. See, there you go. Isn't it looking so pretty? So cute it is, right? Alright, so one more time let me show you how it is done. One more time we will do. Okay, but this time I want to show you how to do the mix color one. Okay, let me show you that. So you take the fork, you hold this tight, okay, and then you wrap the yarn like this. Just keep wrapping. Alright, and now what we can do, we can use some other color. Let's take pink. Alright, so do the same thing with this pink color. Just wrap it, go on wrapping, make sure it is very tight and snug. Alright, I think that's enough. Now we are going to put one, you know, the middle section. I'm just going to put the yarn from here and then take it out and bring it out from here. Okay, and then I'm going to tie a very tight knot. Okay, and at this point we can take this out of the fork. Just make a tight knot like this. Alright, make make a tight knot like this, and now all this section we are going to cut. See, all this we are going to cut. Okay, now fingers away from the scissor, hold it right over here on the left hand side, and with the scissor let's cut this section. Okay, just take little bit of section at a time. Keep your hands away from the scissor, keep your fingers away. There we go. Alright, so here is our cute little pom-pom. Now we'll just cut all the excess ones. Give it a very nice round shape. Alright, so here is our pom-pom. Isn't it so cute? See how cute it is. You can do so many things with pom-pom, children. I'm telling you, you can do like, it is like a sky is the limit. If you happen to make few more of these pom-poms, you can do a very cute bookmark. See, I will show you something like this. All you have to do is just take a hard paper, like a card paper, and what you can do, you can put a pom-pom on the top like this, and then you can write some beautiful messages on it. Okay, and then you can also take any printed paper if you have, or you can also make a print on it. You can make different like heart shapes or butterfly, and you can make a very cute bookmark. Okay, so this is how we are going to use the pom-poms. But there are a lot of other ways that you can use pom-pom. You can use it in a, like, if you have an old bangle, you can stick the pom-poms. You can make small pom-poms and stick it around it. If your mama has like really old earrings and she's not using it anymore, you can give it a makeover. You can just jazz it up with some little bit of, you can put some pom-poms around the earrings. So there are a lot of ways. Even if you have a pencil, and then you can put a Fevicol here, and you can put this pom-pom like this. You have to let it dry overnight though, and then you can also put two googly eyes here, so that will be a very cute pencil topper. Okay, alright student, this is our today's session. I hope you understood everything. Chalo, let's start with the craft.